In order to connect a printer to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, we can go to the settings. In the settings, we can go to connections, and then here, if you scroll down, you will find more connection settings. Then we can choose printing at the top, and we can start by going to default print service, which you can enable as well if it's disabled. And then we can search for printers. We might be able to find our printer over here. However, if not, then we might need to download additional plugin. So we can press download plugin in order to open the Play Store with some of the printer plugins. So this depends now on the printer that you use. So for instance, if you use like Canon printer, then most likely you want to choose Canon print service or anything else. Sometimes printers may have own apps, so you want to make sure that you don't have to download a separate app in order to be able to make your phone compatible with the printer and connect both with each other. So in that case, you can still go to search in the Play Store, and then you can enter the name of the app and download it, and then follow all the steps that you need to do in order to connect with the printer. These steps, of course, vary depending on the printer, on the app itself. So unfortunately, you have to find an appropriate manual that you can follow and properly set up the printer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.